Hello everybody and welcome back to BabyBits&Bobs. Here are 5 organisation tips I found useful with a little one. Number 1 is how I organise Sebastian's old clothes that he's grown out of. I start by organising these into categories: trousers, tops, vests, sleepwear, swimwear and onesies. You can probably see 2 piles for each category. This is because I also separate them into boys and what I think is gender neutral. Sneaky cider break. So I've finally finished. I found some bags, though I didn't realise that these were biodegradable. Every single one fell apart on me. I had to run and get some more bags so they wouldn't fall apart. I packed everything up into separate bags. Each one I labelled for each bag for future reference. Chocolate to keep me going. Once everything was bagged up and labelled, I put all the bags in a vacuum bag. It's such a good space-saving idea. I'll link these vacuum bags below. They come in different sizes, but the best thing about them is that they come with a pump, so no faffing with the hoover nozzle. A great thing I found with these drawer dividers, I think these are from Amazon. We have quite big drawers as I just upcycled a set of drawers we already had. We found these are the best dividers for our drawers as I didn't need to try and find boxes that fit or were deep enough. These can be cut to size and slot together so easily. Here's how I've organised Sebby's drawers using them. As you can see, I've cut them to size and slotted them together to make different sections based on the clothing. A DIY mummy hack I made was this shelf for the end of the changing table drawers. It's actually a spice rack from IKEA called Bekvam. I painted it the same colour as the drawers, then screwed it in the end of the drawers. I put wipes in here, nappy cream, anything for easy access. The last little hack I have are these cute suitcase boxes. I bought these from Amazon as they were cheaper, but they are branded as Sass and Belle. They have lots of different colours and patterns. I use them to keep Sebby's socks in. He has so many, the big box is great for keeping them all together. I also use the smaller ones for his summer hats and winter hats and his gloves. Sebby's bedroom, the best thing I use is this trolley from IKEA. This is called the Raskog. And here's how I set up mine. I always have quick access things on top. The nappies are in sectional boxes, which are again from IKEA. They come in a pack of 8 with 3 different sizes. I've also got nappy bags, antibacterial wipes, and a big pot of Sudocrem. In the small box, I've got a variety of creams, lotions, oils. Below this, I've got a big box of muslins, and you can never have enough muslins. Another small box full of spare toothpaste, spare lotions. Behind this is a box of reusable nappies I bought when Sebby was younger. I couldn't really get along with them, so we don't actually use them that often. Finally, at the bottom, I've got an overflow nappies, extra wipes, spare nappy bags and swim nappies for when Sebby used to go swimming. These trolleys are so versatile. We've all seen them in home offices as craft carts, and I originally had mine in my kitchen. That's why the colour doesn't go with the rest of the furniture. They're available in 5 colours in this size, but also come in a smaller size called the Rashult, which comes in 2 colours. I'll link these and the sectional boxes below. I know that's 5, but I actually have a bonus tip that I needed to add in. Something I stumbled across while getting Sebby's nursery ready. Put all his bibs on a hanger. So simple, and it keeps them all together. Again, such easy access. I keep it on the end of the changing table shelf. Once I've dressed him, I can grab a bib. He was a very dribbly baby when he was younger, so this got used a lot. Thanks for watching. I hope you all found something useful from this video. If you have any more useful hacks and you think others would enjoy, please feel free to post in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. See you later.